Hello guys, in this short and quick video, we will learn how to fix high FPS drops while gaming on Windows 10. So guys, to resolve this issue, there are some easy steps. Firstly, click on Start, type REGEDIT, then open Registry Editor. Now, expand H key current user, then expand System. Now double click on Game Config Store. Now double click on game DVR enabled. Now make value data from 1 to 0. Then press OK. Now expand. So now guys, you need to expand HK local machine. Then software. Now click on Microsoft. Then find out policy manager. So expand policy manager. Then expand default. And guys, you need to click on application management. So expand. Then double click on allow cam DVR. Now right click on value. Then click on modify. Now you will see a value data is 1. So remove 1. Type 0. Then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps, we can fix high FPS drops while gaming on Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.